This is the faithful, maybe you can say blind even disciple, but let's say certainly faithful disciple. And that's one quality that Chanakya Pandit says we should learn from the dog. To be satisfied with many qualities. Be satisfied with very little food, and sleep very lightly with one eye open, and always be faithful. These are three qualities. I think there may be more, but three qualities that a disciple can learn from a dog. Be satisfied with whatever food is thrown your way, whatever you get, and just eat it and be happy and go to sleep. And sleep very lightly. Always be alert. Always be alert. Always be watching. Oh, when is death coming? I have to be ready. Where is death? Where is death? I have to be on the lookout. Oh, here comes death. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Hare. And then always on the lookout and sleep very lightly and faithful. My guru may kick me. He may beat me with a stick. He may come home and he got angry with his wife, or he got angry with the boss, got on his case. Then he says, "Oh, you stupid dog!" And he kicks me in the backside. Ow, 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 ow. And I think, well, why did he get on my case? I'm watching the house all day and chasing any burglars or monkeys that come over here. And I'm not doing anything but doing my duty and serving nicely. Then he comes home, he's in a bum mind, in a bad mind. Then he kicks me in the backside. And then I whimper and cry and put my tail between my legs. Oh, 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 oh. And then later on he comes and he pets me on the head. About 2 hours later he comes and pets me. Oh, nice dog, nice dog. And he gives me some biscuits. I can't figure out this master. He's very strange. Anyway, I can't leave him because I don't know anything about this master. Sometimes he beats me, and then sometimes he pets me on the head and gives me some biscuits, some mahaprasad, some ladus, or some doda or whatever. I can't figure this master out, but I don't have any other master. I was wandering around the streets of the city, and I was sick, I was skinny, my hair was all falling out, and I didn't have any friends in this city, and then my master picked me up. And he took me in his house, and he treated me nicely, gave me medicine, got me fixed up, he shampooed my hair, and he gave me a collar, and he gave me a little doghouse, and he gave me some service to watch over here. And he gave me position. I'm part of the household. I'm the household dog, pet dog. So I feel indebted. I can't leave my master. So even a dog has this loyalty, this sense of faithfulness, sense of loyalty. What to speak about human beings? How much loyal and faithful we should be to our beloved Savior and Gurudev. Hell or high water, we have a phrase in America. Hell or high water, I can't leave my Guru. And it goes to such an extent. My Guru, he may be right, he may be wrong, but he's always right.